The second example of solving the proportions. This is slightly um, different from the very first example that I solved it for you guys. In this example, again, we have fraction. We have a fraction. See, the whole thing in the left side is a fraction. Is equal the right side. The whole thing is a fraction. Okay. So again, we're gonna apply butterfly method. These two diagonally. Let's make it better. Awesome. Butterfly. So these two numbers diagonally would go with these two numbers. The whole thing here. Awesome. Okay, let's see. So when I say they go together, it means they would multiply to each other. So 7 times 5 is gonna be let's write it down everything from the scratch. 7 times 5 in the left side would be equal to b plus 5 times 10. So b plus 5 times 10. Right, this is a term. B plus 5 is the expression, so it has to come in a parenthesis. Okay, let's see. So 7 times 5, have no idea what number is this. So let's use a calculator. 7 times 5 is equal 35. Awesome. So let's see. On the left side, we have 35. And on the right side, let's see. We have to do the distribution law. Awesome. We practiced in the last session. B times 10 and 5 times 10. Let's see. It's going to be B times 10 is 10B plus 5 times 10. Awesome job, guys. Is 50. Beautiful. Now, in order to find the B, we have a simple second order equation. Right? Do you remember how to solve a second order equation? Yes. The goal is finding B. What numbers are bothering us? 10 and 50 is bothering us. So first, we're gonna get rid of whatever is added or subtracted next to the variable. In this case, 50 added to the B. So let's get rid of it. How are we gonna do that? We're gonna subtract both sides by 50. Beautiful job. Let's subtract both sides by 50. Let's see what we're gonna get. Make a big line here. So 50. Oops, that's a big one. Let's choose a smaller one, slightly. Okay, there we go. So 50 minus 50 is 0. And we have 35 and minus 50. We're gonna use a calculator on that. See, we're gonna have, let's put the calculator in the coolest spot. There you go. 35, which I write it down, minus 50. Minus 50 is equal minus 15. So in this side, we're gonna write minus 15 is equal, and in the right side, the same number straightforward will comes down because nothing would add or subtract it to it, right? 10b. Beautiful. So minus 15 is equal 10b. Now, between 10 and b is a multiplication, so we have to do the division. So we're going to divide both sides by, very, very nice job. We're going to divide both sides by 10. Whatever. Let's see, divided by 10, and here divided by 10. Let's see what's going to happen. Oops. It's a little bit interesting. Both sides divided by 10. So here 10 and then cancel each other out. And here we have minus 15 divided by 10. We're going to use your best friend again, a calculator. Let's see how the calculator is going to work in this case. So let's see. Minus 15. Sorry, I write it. Minus 15 divided by 10. It should be negative 1.5 because it's negative, right? So this guy would be negative 1.5 is equal 10 and 10 cancel each other out. We get 2b. Beautiful. So this is another example of solving a proportion. Fraction is equal fraction problem. Let's do a quick review. First, what we did is use a butterfly method. So these two numbers diagonally times each other would equal these two expressions times each other. Here we use a distribution law, and step by step we solve a problem for B using the rule of second two steps equation that we have been practicing on it for a while. Good job, guys. Go on your Google Doc. You have several problems to do. Let me know if you have any problem while you are solving the practices during the class. Good job, guys.